Hello friends, this is second last video of paper number 1 and I think we are on maybe 11th sum, maybe 10 sums. There may be difference of 1 or 2 in numbering, but you can come to know. Okay, find the roots of root 3x square plus 2x minus root 3 by using general formula for roots. Now let's compare it with the quadratic equation, ax squared standard form of quadratic equation, that's ax squared plus bx plus c. A is equal to, let's look at this, a is equal to root 3, so that's root 3. B is equal to plus 2, so that's plus 2, and c is equal to root 3. Now d is equal to b square minus 4ac, that we know, that is the formula for discriminant. डिस्क्रिमिनेंट નું ફોર્મ્યુલા છે, ડિસ્ક્રિમિનન્ટ का फॉर्मूला है बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac, बी का स्क्वायर माइनस 4 ए की वैल्यू सी की वैल्यू, ठीक है, दैट्स 4 रूट थ्री 3 एंड माइनस माइनस प्लस, सो रूट थ्री 3 हो गया, माइनस माइनस प्लस, सो 4 इंटू रूट थ्री, 4 इंटू रूट थ्री 3, so 4 3s are 12 और माइनस माइनस प्लस हो गया, so 4 plus 12 and it has 16. Now 16 is a perfect square, so it has two solutions. Okay, now alpha and beta, this formula you have to remember, alpha is minus b plus root d upon 2a. This is again same, but sign is just minus, alpha and beta. And what some people do, बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स क्या करते हैं, ये साइन की मिस्टेक कर देते हैं, अल्फा में माइनस लिखते हैं, बीटा में प्लस लिखते हैं. यू हैव टू remember that in alpha there is plus sign and in beta there is minus sign. Now let's keep the value. B is equal to, then if b is equal to here, b is equal to 2, right, and minus is in equation, so 2 root d root 16 2a, so minus 2 plus 4, 16 का root 4, नीचे 2 root 3. Now 2 upon 2 root 3. Now I don't want this root in the denominator, so मैं ऊपर नीचे एक नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई कर, ओके, एक नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करूँ तो आंसर पे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. ओके, सो इफ आई वांट टू remove this root 3, this is not asking question but I am just explaining. तो मैं ऊपर नीचे root 3 this is 2 to cancel, so 1 upon root 3, but if I want to go ahead I can still go that root 3, so it will be root 3 upon 3, but we don't have to do this, we can consider it as the answer. Now same thing we will do here, right, we are putting value from the from here, a b c from here, yeah, so we are putting value what we a b c value we have, so that's minus 6, 2 3s are 6, so minus 3 upon root 3, and I multiplied both by root 3. I what I explained in this I did in this, so root 3 cancel, so this will be minus under root 3, so my answer is 1 upon root 3 minus under root 3. Okay, now let's come to the or. In a right angle triangle, the length of these sides forming the right angle, length of the sides forming, this is a side forming right angle AB, and it is not named here, it must be C, so it's C. So ये दोनों जो है AB BC वो side forming right angle, right, so AB BC side forming right angle. Okay, now what he has given in statement, the sides forming the right angle is 4 centimeter more than the twice the length of other side. See, suppose I guess it as BC is x, तो मुझे स्टेटमेंट पढ़ के क्या करना है, is 4 सेंटीमीटर मोर देन द ट्वाइस, पहले ट्वाइस वाला करना है, तो ये मैंने कैसे बनाया, तो x का ट्वाइस कर दिया, एंड 4 मोर, 4 टाइम्स नहीं, जो टाइम्स होता है वो मल्टीप्लाई में जाता है, राइट, 4 ट्वाइस ट्राइस 5 टाइम्स 10 टाइम्स, 4 सेंटीमीटर मोर देन ट्वाइस, तो पहले मैं ट्वाइस किया फिर 4 कर दिया, सो ये भी मेरे को मिल गया. नाउ उसने पूछा द एरिया ऑफ द ट्राइंगल इज 120, एरिया ट्राइंगल का 120 है, तो फाइंड दी इट्स पेरीमीटर, पेरीमीटर यानी ए बी प्लस बी सी प्लस ए सी. नाउ what is the formula for the area of triangle, so we have two formula, one you can go with heroin, and second you can go with 1 upon 2 altitude base, and we have pair of altitude base, this is an altitude, ye altitude hai, and this is base, so you can take AB and BC as a pair of altitude and base, and you can definitely go ahead. So let's come here, 1 upon 2 altitude base, एरिया का आंसर है मेरे पास, यस एरिया का आंसर है मेरे पास, दैट्स 120. now altitude base 120 into 2, AB is equal to 2x plus 4, BC is equal to x. Now this x is with both, so 2x into x, that's 2x square and 4x. Now I am making quadratic equation, 2x square ये side आ गया, 4x ये side आ गया, this is 240. Now if I want to take okay, now 24 20, so इसमें मेरे पास दो ऑप्शन थे. आई कैन टेक टू कॉमन ऑल्सो, आई कैन टेक दिस टू कॉमन इन ऑल द टर्म्स, बट मैंने टू कॉमन नहीं लिया. फिर भी मैंने क्या किया, 240 इंटू टू 480. 480 के इससे पार्ट बना है कि मल्टीप्लाई करो तो 480 आएगा और प्लस करो तो -4 आएगा. तो यू कैन सी 24 20, -24 + 20 -4 मिल गया. तो दोनों कंडीशन फुलफिल हो जाए ऐसे पार्ट मैंने बना दिए. कैसे ऐसे पार्ट बनाने, आई एक्सप्लेन इन प्रीवियस वीडियो. सो आई सजेस्ट यू दैट अगर आप डायरेक्ट ये वीडियो को देख रहे हो, डोंट गो फॉर दैट, look all the videos from first so that you can understand everything better. I have some fundamental rule of maths also I have explained better in previous videos. Okay, now 2x minus 2x common, so 2x at x plus 12. now ये दोनों से क्या कॉमन लेना है, मैंने मेथड बताई है इसको, जस्ट x से डिवाइड कर दो, देन x x कैंसल, so 20 कॉमन. now don't think too much, 20 is common and copy this bracket. okay, now दोनों के बराबर जीरो ले लो, -2x बार वाले साथ में ले लिए, बार वाले -2x plus 20. so -2x plus 20 is equal to 0, x plus 12 is equal to 0. so -2x is equal to 20, x is equal to -20 upon 2, so x is equal to 10, x is equal to -12. so ये दोनों मेरे solution हो गए. now what I have to do, right? okay, so another side will be, so 2x plus 4, and if I put the value of x in this, so it will be 24. Now I'm considering this, I'm putting value of x is 10, where we have got the two value, हमें दो value मिली है. तो why I kept this only 10 value ही मैंने क्यों रखी, because value, see, measurement cannot be in minus, so it cannot be negative ever. so ये this is not possible, this is not possible. so my I will take 10 in consideration. now I will put the value here, ab square plus bc square, ab 24, BC 10, and AC 25. If you know the triplet, Pythagorean triplet. Sorry, that's 26. So 24, 10, and 26. That is also Pythagorean triplet. Sorry, that's 25 wali other hai. This is Pythagorean triplet. So that's 10, 24, and 26. So my answer is not 26. I have to find the perimeter. So I will add all three sides now. So AB plus BC plus AC. So my final answer would be 60 centimeter. I hope you understood this sum. Let's go on next page. Okay, the curved surface area of a cone is 550, diameter is 14, find its volume. Okay, this is very easy. Whenever there is answer of something, कभी भी कोई का आंसर दे दिया है कि भाई कौन का कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया 550 है, तो उसका फॉर्मूला लगा दो, right? Okay, now I am finding radius, that's 4, 14 के आते. Now कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ अ कॉन, उसका फॉर्मूला मैंने लगा दिया. I have value of कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ कॉन, that's 550. 550 into 7, ये 7 यहाँ गया, 20 to 7 divide में 7 7 cancel, so my final answer is 25. now according to Pythagorean theorem, see, L denotes slant height, L denotes slant height, so slant height is 25, radius is 7. so in previous video I told you Pythagorean triplet, it will be 24, but this is not an MCQ that I can directly write 24. I have to explain through Pythagorean theorem. now what is how will I make Pythagorean theorem, जहाँ पे right angle form होता है, उसकी adjacent sides equal to एक side, ये AOOB equal to एक side और AB सामने की side, so that's AO square plus OB square, that's H square. AO is H and L is slant height. so 49, that's 625, that's 476, एंड अगर उसका रूट ले रहा हूँ मैं, राइट, तो दैट्स 24. सो मुझे मिल गया 24. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड द वॉल्यूम, and we can find the volume. so why I found this h, now you understood, because in the formula of volume I need h, I don't need l, I don't need this l, but this l is helpful to find the h. अगर ये l नहीं होता तो मुझे h नहीं मिलता. so why I found the h. so एग्जाम में क्या करना है, पहले फॉर्मूला देख लो या ढूंढना है, उसका फॉर्मूला है, उसमें से डिसाइड करो हमारे पास क्या क्या है, क्या क्या नहीं है. जो नहीं है उसको कैसे फाइंड आउट करने के वो सोचो, और उसके बाद यू टेक दिस स्टेप्स. so 1/3, 22/7, and h. so this is 22, 7, and 8. how I did this, so that's 7 7 cancelled. now 3 8s are 24, so 22 7 8 is remaining, and that's 12 3 2, 1232 centimeter cube is my volume. okay, so let's go in next video. Okay, I think this is the last sum of paper number one, and we will solve it in the next video. Thanks for watching.